Grand finale, grand finale. Finally, we have finished the color block earrings. Check them out. Hey, you guys. So it is a cold, rainy day outside. So what I decided to do was spend the day finally finishing up the earrings that I had kind of left by the wayside. My phone might die soon. So what I did was I went ahead, because we're making so many pairs of earrings, there's probably over 50 pairs of earrings. So I went on and put the jump rings together. So remember I said if you want your earrings to have the proper swing without having to bend this part of your ear wire, which really could break it. I've broken so many ear wires. You can use 2 jump rings or 3 if necessary. And then all your earrings will have the correct and proper swing that you want them to have. So we're just gonna go ahead and then I have some that have pierced backs. They've already been glued. So I'll show you not all of them completed, but the majority of the ones that go with the color block video, this is the completion of those earrings. It did take me a long time. I'm like, good God. But I did get almost 50 pair completed, so I'm excited about that. And what I did was I'm trying to work in systems, right, to figure out what's the fastest way that I can get multiple earrings done at once. And so that's what we work towards. So I put all the findings on here already, and I drilled all the holes at the same time. So therefore, by doing those things systematically, I feel like that's how you can get more jewelry done. So paint multiple earrings at once, even if you don't have your designs figured out. After you paint them all at once, then paint the backs of the earrings. So paint your fronts, do your designs, paint your backs, however you're gonna paint them. Then drill your holes if you prefer to, because it will bother you to drill holes into a finished design, then of course do that as it pleases you. It doesn't really matter to me, but you know, whatever works best for you. Then after you drill your holes, put all your findings together. And I'm gonna show you what these all look like when we finish. Put all your findings together and then start putting your earrings together. And I feel like this is going really fast. The longest part of what took me to get all these earrings done was the design, was all the things that went on the front, right? That actually made the earring. So figure out what your slowest part is. Like some of you are really great at making, what do I call it? Themes, for lack of a better word, or similar designs, but my brain doesn't work like that. My brain has multiple design ideas at once. And so that's why I said, okay, well, let's call this color blocking. And then the last one, I forget what we call the last one, because there's 2 more videos following this one. I'm super excited about the toy soldier earring collections. That's the word I was looking for. So, you know, sometimes you already have in mind what you want your collection to look like. I didn't. So I think that it's really great when people do have like a theme or a certain color scheme. I think that's really cool. I don't know, my brain just doesn't work like that, which is fine. We're all different. And that's what makes us different. So I noticed that by having these already done, the jump rings and everything already together, it's making this go really fast. And that was what I was looking for. Okay, how can I get more done in a faster time frame? So all of these are really beautiful. Plus my next sale, which I have coming up this week, maybe tomorrow, I wanted some new designs. I feel like there's so many people that haven't seen my jewelry sales yet, but for those that have already bought jewelry, I was like, man, I need some new jewelry, because that way, you know, they could see new designs and stuff like that. So that was a real big inspiration also behind doing so many pieces at once. And then my business partner, now I don't know if you follow me on Facebook, but if not, be sure to follow me over on Facebook. And my business partner that I have my hair care line with, if you didn't know how to hair care line, it's called glowhead.biz. I'm going to be sharing some videos of where my hair edges have started to grow back, thank God. And I really feel like they had gotten damaged from me wearing the same style over and over again. That's called traction alopecia. I did not have alopecia, but I felt like I was causing damage to my hairline because I kept wearing the crochet braids. And so that pulling on my hairline was starting to cause damage. So now my next styles of hairstyles probably going to be individual braids. That'll just be healthier for my type of hair. So anyway, I said all that to say, if you follow us over there, we also have some gold and silver jewelry that we're going to be selling. We didn't make it, but she was formerly a paparazzi sales rep, and then she had started buying jewelry wholesale and selling it, and it's taken off. And so that's something that we're going to be doing together. So follow me over on Facebook, and my business partner's name is Rashida Potts. So be sure to follow her Salon Glow page. That's what her page is that she promotes on. And I think that's the same page on TikTok that she has. So we're almost finished putting these together. I mean, just look how fast that went. That's one pair. Another pair. Gorgeous. You know what? I don't think these go with these. These go with the other video, but I think they're just kind of blend together. So let's just ignore the fact that you saw those. Let's finish the ones that go with the color blocking. I got sidetracked, okay? So just disregard that pair. They go with the next video coming up. I'm just pulling them over here because the other ones I made, we already put post backs on. So those are just the ones that we're going to be hanging. I've already put the backs on these. So that's a post back pair. I made some clip-ons. So I made these into clip-ons. Ooh, these are gorgeous. These are like leaves to me for some reason. These I did as post backs. This is probably one of my favorite pair. They came out, they're post backs as well. I think they're really pretty. And I left them a matte finish, so I didn't gloss all of them. I decided to leave some with the matte finish. Those kind of look like the sky, like celestial stuff. These are pretty. And those are post backs. So we got all those ready to go for the sale. And then in my next video, I'm going to show you how The other ones turned out. I'm finishing up just a few more of those, need to have their backs added to them. And then I'll have that video, and then the toy soldier earrings, and then I have another surprise video as well, super cute stuff. So here's what everything looks like finished. Thank you for your patience in case you were looking for part 3 to complete the earrings. I finally had a free moment this weekend since we're expecting bad weather and it's raining. I'm gonna be home, so here you go. So there was one more pair I forgot to show. These are super cute. I wanted to be able to use these little squares. I had gotten those from Dollar Tree. So those are cute. So then I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see everyone's finished look. How pretty they turned out.